Welcome to OilTradingPros.com. I want to welcome everyone to oil trading who's never traded oil before. I want to let you guys know that we are offering a free trial to our trade room. If you take a look at our home page here, you can simply click the link right here on the Live Oil Trade Room. Click that. Follow that down to the area where it says ask us about our intraday oil chat trial. Click the subscribe button. Very simple. Simply click the subscribe button. Live Oil Trade Room. It is basically free, $24.99 for the first 3 days. That's simply a administration fee. It takes us time to set everything up. It does cost us money every time anyone does take this trial, even though you're not paying for it. So that's simply just to cover basic costs, $25. It's also to let us know that you're serious. If you can't spare $25, then no offense, you probably are not the person we want in our trade room, because chances are you're just sitting there trying to steal our trades and waste our time by asking dumb questions, and you're probably not really trading if you can't spare $25. That being said, there's some pretty simple rules. We do this once a month, sometimes twice a month, depending on how many people we actually have inquire. Free trade room trial for 3 days. To those interested in the free trial, please watch the video below. I posted a video down here of one of our trade days from back in September. Write us an email with the subject January 14th free trial in the subject line. In your email, please include your full name, years of experience that you have trading, and your plan of attack. Full-time trader, part-time trader, blah, 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 blah. Trade day begins 7:30 and 8, between 7:30 and 8 Central Standard Time. It depends on volume. Please include hours you plan on attending. We'd like to have you attend as early as possible. We have had times where people have tried to attend later on in the mornings and they miss a lot of the good trades. OTP understands not everyone has the flexibility to join between those hours. However, it is in their best interest to trade early, start trading early. Please note, the trade when volume allows quick trades in and out. When volume slows, so does OTP trading. In your email, include your daily goals, what you'd like to complete in tick form, 3 ticks, 5 ticks, 10 ticks. We've gotten people say they want to get 200 ticks a day, 500 ticks a day. Perhaps you should go visit someone that promises that, because we can't promise that. That's absolutely nuts, unless you're trading 20 contracts. We typically trade between 2 contracts. It's going to help us capitalize on larger movements. Also going to help us teach a lot better. We don't have complicated ATM strategies. Most of them are very simple. One contract gets taken off. One contract gets used as a runner. The most classic trading, I guess, futures trading. The most classic way to trade futures is to have one runner. That's the best way to do it. You're going to capitalize on a large move. Lastly, as soon as we receive your email, we'll send out a PayPal code Sunday evening. Don't worry about this. This does not really apply. Be sure to follow the link and submit to PayPal. This will lock in your OTP trade room spot for January 14, 2013. If you're visiting our page after this date, chances are shoot us an email. We probably have an opening for the next time that we're allowing guests to come in and view our room. Please respond to this email ASAP, as this will help us mold the trade room around those new folks and will be joining us for the first 3 days. It will also secure you a chair in the trade room that is second to none. Below is a link to the page with the subscribe button. So you simply click subscribe. That brings you to this. Enter your email password. If you don't have a PayPal account, this is very important. No PayPal account. Pay using your credit card or debit card. We've had a lot of people that don't seem to understand how to read directions and follow them. Want to know why the only option is PayPal. Well, it's not. It's very simple. Right below it says pay using a credit or debit card. You don't have to have a PayPal account. We don't get to see any of your information that's sent to us other than your name and that you've submitted a credit card that is able to be processed. We have people before we didn't charge anything, people would be submitting credit cards that didn't work. So they'd be in the room for 3 or 4 days afterwards, and we didn't know that their credit card was getting declined, but it didn't work. That's another reason we have the $25 fee on there. So if you feel as though, one last thing I'd like to add, if you feel as though you'd like to ask for your $25 back after you've been in the room, like you've learned absolutely nothing, we'll give it to you back. However, it is there to help us pay for the costs that it costs us to have you in as a free trial. It's $25. Like I said, it's lunch for 2 days, depending on where you eat, 3 days. It's very simple. It's not a lot of money, very little bit of money. And then our monthly membership, of course, is $399 per month, and that's going to get you unlimited access to our trade room every single day. If we leave, our charts will still be up. It will also give you access to our trade plot indicator, which is basically this indicator right here. This is more beta format, but however, blue lines, top of the candle you go long, so you would have had a huge winner here for long. This was the other day. Another winner here you would have had. You also would have had a, let's see, another winner here, another winner here, another winner here, another winner here, another winner here. This one wouldn't have qualified. You would have had another winner here, wouldn't have qualified, so on and so forth. So you could see today was, here's today, there was no signals called out whatsoever because the market was crap and all it did was go sideways. Therefore, we like to jump over to our other chart right here. This is another chart we use, okay? We call this the 5-minute breakout and the 15-minute breakout. Can't give you too much information in this video because this is a free video. No one's paid for it, so we like to be paid for our hard work. This is what we call a RTM 930 Classic reverse setup here for a short at the orange line. Worked great. You can also take it for a long at the orange line. But you can see it pretty much went sideways all day long. So that is some of the stuff that we like to go over in our trade room. We call out live trades every morning. We like to start, like I said, between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. depending on how the market's reacting. Your key for the trade room will allow you to get in any time between 7 and 8 a.m. It will allow you basically from 7 a.m. on out. You may see a blank screen that shows up, but as soon as we get in and pull our charts up, that blank screen will go away, and you will be given access to one of the greatest oil trading rooms available for a small fee of $25 and then the fee of $399 after that. So we also do weekend webinars. This one had filled up early. The last one was done in August. We plan on doing another one. We also do great updates updates as to how the trading day went. Great trading day this morning. This was July 25th. Up $907.50. We like to trade the ES. Some of you will say, oh, how do you get 50 cents? Well, we trade the ES, the TF, and stuff like that. So we do get 1250 wins and stuff like that, where it's going to give us not an even number 100%. Keep an eye on our website because this is going to show you what's going on, when it's going on. Access to our trading room is going to give you basically everything from setting up your charts to help whenever you need it, and access to our charts 100% of the time. So I just want to make this quick video and give you a welcome to oil trading introduction. Be sure to check us out, oiltradingpros.com. Shoot us an email, take the free trial, extend your knowledge, broaden your bridges, broaden your horizons, and learn from us because we have a lot to teach. And I think that a lot of people that have come and gone throughout our trade room have learned a lot and taken a lot. There's a lot of people that are still in our trade room. You can shadow trade, you can trade based on our movements or based on our moves. You can trade based on a whole bunch of different stuff. But we want you to come take a trial, let us know what you think. If you absolutely hate it, and if you're that tapped for money, we'll give you your $25 back. It doesn't happen too often. But once in a while we do get people that complain, cry, and whine and want the $25 back. And I get more of a joy giving it back to them anyways because of the fact that they need it more than I do, obviously. Anyways, check it out and let us know what you think. This is Christopher for oiltradingpros.com. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your week. Thanks.